Hi viewers, welcome to my new course Explaindio 3. Now I am coming for you with the new course Explaindio. In this course, I will teach you about how we create animated videos. You know Explaindio 3 is the best software which is used for desktop application. With the help of this software, we can create animated videos, YouTube, intro, outro, whiteboard animation. In this training, I will teach you in detail that how we create these videos. Nowadays, you know, on YouTube and many other sites that people create lot of animated videos for their product promotion and business promotion because consumer and user like animated videos. Nowadays, big demand of explainer video. One great advantage of explainer videos is that you attract people. I will tell that it's a very easy and I hope after this course you will be able to create animated videos, whiteboard animation and videos for product promotion. I am too much excited and I hope that my all students must learn Explaindio 3. With the help of Explaindio 3 you can earn lot of income from such sites like a Fiverr, Upwork and freelancers. Thanks.